My fellow Nigerians, I weep. I weep for this country. When they talk, say it shock you. Now this one be the real shock. Yes, it shocked me. It shocked me die. Ah! Did they see this kind of wickedness? Did they see him? Me say na devil wicked pass for this life. I don't know say people wicked pass devil. Devil think say na he dey underground. Even devil dey hear noise for down. Even the thing shock devil. I bet it's na only Buhari wicked. I bet it's na only Bubu Azama. I bet it's na only one wicked oh. I don't know say people wicked pass Bubu Azama. I just know that person where they wear a Bubu head. Say now that person wicked. I don't know say people wicked. My question now is this. Where all our state governors, where they forward that meeting, say me they not share that food? Where una forward that meeting? Where una for swear that oath, say una not go share food, COVID-19 food. Una do economy, where una forward the meeting? You guys did not share that food. So they do they spoil. What will you gain? I be get the church when I go there for town and say, if una die, say don't pack money for una. I see one video money, they store for one place. Even money said that they burn. Even money that they spoil. What tell una say if una die? Say everything una they fight for so. Say they will bury all of the follow una. What tell una? If person sleeping, no sleep away, don't die. Oh. Everything way they fight for, you are so going to leave it. Why are you guys so wicked? Why did you distribute those food? Why? People were dying. People were starving. You guys don't share those food. Now people don't bust them. I don't believe say Billy ghetto. I don't believe say those state get. I shock say those states get that food. Who were in charge? Who were in charge? Who did not share those food? Who were in charge? This is so wicked. Kai! People will get 1 million, they're satisfied. 500,000 people, they're satisfied. You guys have billions of dollars. Still, you are not satisfied. Una go Lekki toll gates. People open fire for innocent souls. When they fight for their rights, una keep people. Una save una officers. Thank God. Una political career. If una think say we don't achieve anything, we did. We did. We achieved something. At least una political career don't die. Una not feel deceive us. Una not feel come out again. Say una one great person come out. Una generation don't fuck. No level. We achieve something. Not only that one. My youth, make una not when I not cry. We achieve something. Those guys are not coming back ever again. What they want to talk? Everybody don't get this. All of us don't wise. All of us don't wise. Honorary food, we are not share. We don't even beg for money right now. We are not share. We they fight for soldiers, we they fight for police, we they fight for everybody. The same people they fight for, so they fight against us. I know said the thing get out of hand. Yes, it went out of hand. We know. We know. But at the end of the day, we are not also not too wise. Everybody don't get 80 salads. Every one of us don't wise. Many people say, I don't want they want to see one person for COVID. Right now, so. Share the food that they don't pack them. They don't pack the food. Everybody don't do okay. But it's a shame. It's a shame to Nigerians. Even abroad, Western world, who now they run, they go. How many times when I don't see say all those ministers, all those whatever they call themselves, say they'll get crisis, they'll run call Nigeria. How many times? They know they come. And they wait to face them. They'll go fix everything. Any small to they run, they go. Pepe. Una they run, they go. I don't know when they carry the money, they go. That person will tell us say If you not die, the kind of follow not allow. At the time of the truth, not allow. Wicked set of people, wicked bastards, wicked people, politicians, wicked people. For another food where they chop the shit away, we are not sharing. I'm not sharing. As right as here reached right now. Wamaga. See, both people they support you now. People, you know, see some people there. I don't really get time to talk to me because as I did, so I don't get joy. Some people there, because of their wickedness, they'll see person, they'll do what's not good. Because of their own selfish interest, because they like the person, though they join them. I know they support evil. I know they support bad thing. If you support evil, if you support bad thing, you and your children will reap them. I not say because this person is my mama or my papa or my best friend, if they go wrong, I will tell them, I will call you to order, I will tell you that I will not be in support, I will not be a party to this. People where they support you now, even wicked person herself. Who they support evil, wicked past evil. Nonsense set of people, ordinary food, do not share. Everybody don't get this salad. Everybody don't wise. Oh, this is not time for joke. This is not time for you to come and tell me what to do. I sure know what to do. I know what to do. Don't tell me what to do.